Honda Cars Batangas for me is my second home. Being part of Honda Cars Batangas means being in an environment that values growth. Number one na nakikita ko talaga is napaka-supportive ng lahat ng department. Kasi we have one direction, to strive for a goal and achieve it.
Gusto ko yung masaya ang lahat kapag may na-achieve ang isa sa amin. Nakaka-inspire yun para magpursige araw-araw.
We are like family here who supports each other, strive together, and andon palagi yung drive to provide good and quality service sa aming mga customers.
From guard pa lang, mararamdaman na nila ang warm welcome ng employees ng Honda Cars Batangas. Panatag sila na hindi lang good services ang maibibigay natin, kundi pati na rin ang high quality products. Sa accounting kasi, every detail counts. Hindi lang siya about numbers, but also about making our clients feel secured and valued. And I find fulfillment knowing that my role, our finance department, helps build trust and transparency between the dealership and our clients.
I gained a lot of knowledge, faced challenges, and developed my personality here.
Ang isa sa mga bagay na nagiging proud ako dito sa Honda Cars Batangas is yung nakakapag-deliver kami ng mahirap na deadline pero nagtutulungan kami para mapabilis ito. At ang isa pa, yung may nasusolve kaming problema, sama-sama kaming nagtutulungan para at least yung satisfaction ng client is ma-provide namin.
Ito yung company who genuinely values each. Grabe yung support and ikaw na mismo yung mag-i-inspire to be more passionate and you'll have pride kasi kasama ka sa pag-achieve ng goal of providing quality experience and being the top 1 dealer in the network. We are striving to retain it and to be a better of what we have.
At the end of the day, it's not just about cars or work. It's about people. It's about trust. It's about being part of something real. This is our team. This is our home.
We are Honda Cars Batangas.